Hello, I'm Siri. In this presentation, we're going to compare the traditional way of giving SaaS product demos through scheduled demo calls with a newer approach using DemoDazzle's interactive self-serve demos. We'll look at why many SaaS companies are moving away from relying only on demo calls and how interactive demos help prospects explore products faster while making life easier for pre-sales teams. Here's what we'll cover today. First, we'll discuss the common problems with traditional demo calls. Then we'll see why interactive product demos create a better buying experience. After that, we'll compare DemoDazzle and demo calls side by side. We'll also explore the benefits for SaaS pre-sales teams. And finally, we'll look at how DemoDazzle works and which businesses can benefit the most from it. Let's start by comparing these two approaches. Prospects to schedule a meeting, wait for an available time, and rely on the sales representative for the entire experience. DemoDazzle works differently. Instead of waiting, prospects can access an interactive product demo whenever they want. They can explore the product at their own pace and focus on the features that matter most to them. This not only improves the buyer experience, but also helps pre-sales teams identify interested prospects much faster. Although demo calls have been used for years, they come with several challenges. The first issue is scheduling. Finding a suitable time often involves multiple emails and delays. Another problem is that many prospects either cancel or don't attend the meeting at all. There's also an inconsistency because every sales representative presents the product differently. And finally, demo calls don't scale well. As demand grows, your best salespeople become overloaded, making it difficult to handle every opportunity efficiently. All these issues slow down the sales process. Interactive demos solve many of these challenges. Instead of sitting through a presentation, prospects actively explore the product themselves. They can spend more time on the features they're interested in and skip anything that's not relevant. This makes future sales conversations much more meaningful because buyers already understand the product. At the same time, DemoDazzle tracks how users interact with the demo, helping the sales team identify prospects who are genuinely interested. Overall, buyers stay engaged because they don't have to wait for a scheduled meeting. Here's a direct comparison. With traditional demo calls, prospects have to book a meeting, and availability depends entirely on your sales team's schedule. DemoDazzle removes that limitation by providing 24/7 access. Personalization is also different. Traditional demos rely on the presenter, while DemoDazzle uses AI to personalize the experience automatically. Another major advantage is analytics. Instead of simply knowing that someone attended a meeting, DemoDazzle provides detailed insights into which features were viewed, how much time users spent, and where they showed the most interest. This makes DemoDazzle much more scalable and can contribute to higher conversion rates. So, what does this mean for pre-sales teams? First, prospects can qualify themselves by exploring the product while DemoDazzle collects engagement data behind the scenes. Second, interactive demos create higher engagement because users are actively participating rather than just watching. Third, every prospect receives the same professional, consistent product experience. And finally, the detailed analytics help teams understand customer behavior so they can continuously improve both their demos and their sales strategy. The process is actually very simple. First, you share a DemoDazzle link with your prospect. The prospect immediately gains access to an interactive product walkthrough. As they explore the demo, DemoDazzle records valuable engagement data. Once the prospect shows buying intent, the lead is automatically passed to your sales team with useful insights, making follow-up conversations much more effective. Since DemoDazzle also integrates with existing SaaS tools, it fits easily into your current workflow. DemoDazzle is useful for a wide range of SaaS businesses. Startups can scale their pre-sales process without hiring large sales teams. Growing software companies can handle increasing demo requests more efficiently. Enterprise organizations can simplify the presentation of complex products, and product-led growth companies can allow the product to demonstrate its value before involving the sales team. In short, Any SaaS business looking to improve efficiency and customer experience can benefit. Let's answer a few common questions. One question people often ask is whether DemoDazzle replaces live demo calls. The answer is no. Instead, it complements them. Prospects first explore the product independently and only schedule a meeting if they need additional guidance. Another question is how DemoDazzle improves conversions. Since buyers can start immediately without waiting for a meeting, they're usually more informed and more engaged when they finally speak with sales. Lastly, DemoDazzle provides valuable analytics such as feature engagement, user journeys, time spent, and drop-off points, helping teams optimize their sales process. To wrap up, today's buyers expect fast, convenient, and personalized experiences. Traditional demo calls still have their place, but they shouldn't be the only way prospects experience your product. DemoDazzle enables prospects to explore your software instantly while giving your pre-sales team valuable insights and allowing them to focus on the most promising opportunities. Thank you for your time. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have.